Close. I'll send them to you right now, actually, before I leave.
I'll title everything you're not supposed to do and push in.
Exactly.
That's where it works, right?
What?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
These will be scraping too.
Yeah, so she's on.
Well, even with these, try it just for fun. Oh, I switched to decaf.
So my elbow's up, see? My elbow's up.
Yeah.
If my elbow's down, it doesn't matter. As long as I keep the elbows down.
That's what it will do for sure.
Distract.
Bring my attention out of my root. And if I'm rooted, I could probably take a lot more of that annoying pain.
Yep.
The old sweat in the eyes. They drove my eyebrow.
I thought you probably worked, yeah.
Some special Chinese herb.
So if I do this cross, it's no good. If I'm here, I can come. Right?
If you do that,
If I do the opposite foot, it's not good with me. I get crossed. It's easy to do the same side I can do.
Yeah.
And perhaps I could,
Yeah. If you're crossed,
if I'm crossed, I get caught in this.
because you're too tight, I guess.
Yep.
What's
Here?
that Chen one? They do in Chen a lot. They go like this,
Yeah.
boom, and
Yeah.
this kind of a thing. It seems like that's from where you were.
It's not bad, eh? Third time, no.
It seems if you get a shoulder press when my leg is in front, every time you get a shoulder press could be, every time you get in here, boom,
Yeah.
it could be, boom,
Yeah, maybe.
almost, I bet half of them.
I know if I try it, I'll go flying more.
Or maybe not, and I can fall on this. Concrete, no big deal.
Just trying to be really.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, I better head your elbow in my chin.
with the face. That's good. I gotta go. Thank you very much.
Ooh,
I can do these right now.
that was fun.